for example, cat, and for example, up. If you know this chart, the sounds at the top, you have a very narrow mouth. The sounds at the bottom, your mouth is more open. The sounds on the left, you have a wide, very wide mouth. And the sounds on the right, you have a round mouth. So for example, you have a wide mouth, and it's very open. For example, cat, and, at. Can you guys think of any more examples? Then the sound, so it's a little more towards the round. So it's for example, up or cup. So if we move from to just have a think about where's that sound coming from. So first, think about your mouth. What's the position of your mouth? So the sound, your mouth goes from being wide to a little bit more round. Okay, test time. No practice this time, just listen to me and follow the maze to the right letter. Okay, first one, you can see my mouth. Are you ready? Let's go. Cap, cap. Hat, hat. Cut, cut. But, but. Okay, what letter did you get to? Here is the answer. D, so left, left, right, right. If you got D, well done. If you didn't, think back. Where did you make the mistake? Okay, test time 2. Again, I will cover my mouth and see if you can follow. Okay, are you ready? Listen carefully. Cap, cap. Cup, cup. Cut, cut. Cat, cat. Tricky, all the cut words. What was your answer? Which letter? Okay, G, well done. If you got G. So it was cap, left, cup, right, cut, right, cat, left, to end with G. Nice. Well done for you guys who got the correct answer. So what I think you can do is copy down, make a note of that same alphabet game. And if you have any other students or friends who are studying English, want to improve your pronunciation, test each other. Pronunciation is a listening skill, but also a speaking skill. So it's great if you can test each other. Okay, well, that's it for today. Thank you very much. Please share your video with your friends. Please like it, follow the channel, leave a comment. Is there any kind of English pronunciation you would like to practice? And turn on the bell for notifications. Okay, guys, thank you. That's English with Tom. Bye-bye.